L-O-O. I had been saying the same thing since
Yes.
morning. It's
Okay.
L-O-O, not vo.
Okay.
Okay, fifth one. Fifth one. Fifth one.
Pray, sir.
Sorry.
Pray, pray.
Okay, the
P-I.
last one. Last one.
Eagle, sir.
Eagle. Okay, thank you. All right, SPY Ready Degree College.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Give me the example with the short vowel sounds, please.
First one is allow, sir.
Allow. Okay.
Empire. For second one, empire, sir.
Empire.
Uh,
So I have the word. Is it visible to you?
yes, sir.
If I have to break it, it will be A, M, M, P, I, R. Empire. Where do I have the A sound here?
Sorry.
It's wrong. So think of the correct word for the A sound.
Awarded, sir.
Awarded.
Yes, sir. Next.
Awarded. Right?
Yes, sir.
A, R, D, A, D. A, war, dead. I don't have A sound in awarded as well. It's an A sound. For example, aspect, bat, cat, mat, lab, laboratory, all this has A sound. Give me the example with E, short E sound please.
Eager, sir.
Short E. Do I say eager or eager? Eager is long vowel sound.
Eager, sir.
Eager,
Eager.
short vowel E.
Elder, sir.
Short vowel E. E, the fifth one. You said elder. Do we have E sound here? It's A, D, We don't have E sound in elder. How did you get it?
Imagine, sir. Imagine.
It's not imagine, it's imagine. It's a J sound. Imagine. So don't say imagine, it's imagine. Alright,
Yes.
thank you.
Your pleasure, sir.
My pleasure. Oh, you are okay. You were
Sorry,
supposed to
sorry.
say my
My
pleasure. Thank you so much.
pleasure, sir.
Yeah, it's
My,
definitely my pleasure, but that's okay.
sorry, sir.
SRDC, no problem, no problem. SRDC, SRDC, no response. Srivani Degree College,
Good afternoon, sir.
hi.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Srivani, hi. Please give me examples with the
Yes, sir.
long vowel sound. Give me a moment.
Sir.
Give me a moment.
Ah. Sir. Ah. La, sir.
Give me a moment.
La, sir. La.
Okay, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
said
sir.
give me a moment.
Yes, sir. Ah.
Okay,
Sir.
can somebody translate for him what is the meaning of give me a moment?
Wait 2 seconds, sir. 2 seconds, wait, sir.
Hello? Sir?
Sir, wait 2.
Hello?
Yes, continue.
Hello?
Yes, Srimani, please continue.
Yes. La, sir.
Continue.
La. Cool. Cool.
Okay, which sound are you using, sir?
Oo, sir. Oo.
Which one?
Cool.
Long vowel, short vowel or diphthong?
Long, sir. Long vowel.
It's not lang. It's not lang. Don't say lang. We are learning vowel sounds here. It's long.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Start from the
Okay.
beginning, long vowel sounds.
Sir. La.
The long vowel, start from the beginning, please.
Yeah. Sir, short vowel. Sir. La, sir.
The first one is law.
Yes, sir.
AA. You are using AA for law. What is the first one in the list? Can I please have a response? Okay, Srivani is not responding. Srivani, are you there or not? Vivekananda Degree College, are you there? Vivekananda Degree College, are you there? SSB Degree College, Anantapur. SSBN Degree College, Anantapur.
Hello, sir.
Is it SSBN?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am, please give me examples with all the long vowel sounds, please. One word each.
Okay, sir. It's archery. Archery, sir.
It's archery, not archery, it's archery. Okay, next.
And hawker.
Next.
And it's podium.
Great, brilliant. Next.
Ooh, it's smooth.
All right, next.
Sir, it's
Yes.
waver.
Okay, last.
It's street.
Great,
Street.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
SSBN Degree College, brilliant job. And we had Gate Degree College, which did a brilliant job. Thank you. Next, St. Anne's College, Guntur. Do we have you online, St. Anne's College?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right, please give me examples with the diphthongs.
Spy.
Okay, next.
Dove.
Okay, ow, dove. Okay. How do you spell it?
Dove.
How do you spell it?
Dove.
It's dove. It's not dove, it's dove. D-O-V-E is dove. It's pronounced, for example, I have, is the screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's d, a, v. It's dove. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Okay, give me the example with the last one. Oi, O-I,
Voice.
voice. Brilliant. Thank you. St. Joseph Degree College, Kurnool.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Give me examples with the short vowel sounds, please.
Okay, sir. First one, correct. Second one, fabulous. Third one, understood. Fourth one, expression. Fifth one, insect. Sixth one, chamber.
Chamber.
Yes, sir.
How do you spell it?
CHAMBER.
It's chamber.
Okay, okay,
Are
sir.
you a are you a Chiranjeevi fan?
No, sir.
Okay, because he pronounces like that. He pronounces challenge as challenge, champion as champion, chamber as chamber. I thought maybe you are his fan. So it's chamber, it's not
Okay, sir.
chamber. Okay?
Okay,
Alright,
sir.
good
Thank
choice
you,
of
sir.
examples. Thank you, good job. SPDC Seminar Hall. SPDC Seminar Hall.
Yes, sir.
Give me examples with the long vowel sounds.
Hello.
Long vowel sounds example, please. Long vowel sound examples, please.
Car. Hello. Sir, is my voice
Yes.
is audible?
Yes, it is audible. Please go ahead.
First one, car. Second one, often. Third, boon. Fourth, modify. Fifth, ego. Sixth, ego.
Can you repeat that for me?
Yes, sir. First one, car. Second,
Are you-
often.
Are you using long vowel or short vowel?
Long vowel.
Okay. Start again.
First one, cart. C-A-R-T, cart.
Okay.
Second
Next.
Often, O-F-T-N. Third,
Oh,
own.
what is the second one?
Third one, owns, O-W-N. Fourth, boon.
Hang on. What is the second one?
Often.
How do you spell it?
Often, often. Second one, often, sir.
Third one?
Own. The fourth one, boon. Fifth, modify. Sixth,
Okay.
ego.
What is the fifth sound?
Modify.
Fifth sound, not the word. What is the fifth sound?
Mo. A, sir.
A. So do you have A in modify?
Sir, play, sir. P-L-A-Y, play. For fifth
Okay.
one.
The last one?
Breed. B-R-E-E-D, breed.
Thank you. Vasavi Mahila Kalasala, Kurnool. Give me examples with the diphthongs, please.
First one, scientist, pilot. Second one, counter,
Scientist.
proud.
Okay. Second one?
Counter, proud.
Okay,
Third
brilliant. Third one.
Third one, pointer, spoil.
Okay, can you give me examples with the short vowel sounds?
First one, dumbbell, blood. Second one,
Second,
knowledge, education.
hang on. Second one, what sound is it?
A.
It's a, not a. A is the fourth one. It's a sound. Do you say education or education?
Education.
Education, right? So you don't have an a sound there.
Yes, sir.
Give me the example with the third one.
Cucumber, consuming.
It's cucumber. It's not cucumber, it's cucumber.
Consuming. Fourth one, budget.
Hang on.
Cake.
It's pronounced cucumber. Alright? It's not cucumber, it's cucumber.
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Consuming.
Consuming.
Yes.
Where do you have, which sound are you using as an example for consuming?
Third one, sir.
Okay, where do you have the short oo sound in consume? Consume is a long vowel oo. It's consuming. So you are stressing more. That's why it's a long vowel sound.
Yes, sir.
Consumption is also incorrect because you don't have a oo sound in consumption.
Bull.
Give me the example with the wolf is fine. Wool is fine. Give me the example with the fourth one, short vowel fourth one.
Cake.
Do you say kick or cake? Cake is a long vowel sound. Keg, K-E-G, keg.
Yes.
For example, K-E-G, keg, we have a short vowel sound. But if we have cake, it's a long vowel sound. Give me the example of budget is correct. Give me the example with the E sound.
In India.
India, don't give me names, give me a word.
Innocent.
Sorry?
Innocent. Innocent.
Okay, good. Innocent, that's correct. Give me the example with the sound.
Proper.
Proper, good. Alright, VJM Degree College.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Give me the examples with the diphthongs.
Diamond. Mouse.
Give me the examples with diphthongs.
I for diamond.
Diamond, okay, alright.
Ow for mould.
Sorry?
Ow for mould, sir.
How
Mould.
do you spell it?
Mould.
How do you spell it?
Mould, sir. M-O-U-L-D.
It's mold, not mould. M-O-U-L-D is pronounced as mold, not mould.
Mound. M-O-U-R-N. Mound.
That is pronounced as mourn, morning, M-O-U-R-N, morning.
Founder. F-O-U-N-D-E-R.
Pounder, or you can say mount, M-O-U-N-T, mount, you have ow sound. M-O-U-R-N is mourn, M-O-U-L-D is mold.
Yes,
Give me
sir.
the example with O-I, oi,
Noise.
okay,
Annoy.
annoy, okay, thank you so much. Great. Memory Degree College, you want me to give you the difference between the V and the Z sound. Verb, for example, victory. Can you pronounce that as victory? No. You have a word which is zebra. Can you say vibra? No, you cannot. So that's the difference between v and z. They are completely different sound. No, nothing in common except these two being consonant sounds. Okay? St. Joseph College asking me vocabulary question. I will answer that later. Panic is different. Terrific is completely different word. They have no similarity whatsoever. So you need to think about the meaning and then wonder where it can be used. So all these sounds put together, we have 24 consonant sounds and we have 15 vowel sounds. If you pronounce a word which is beyond these consonant and vowel sounds, that means you are making a fundamental mistake in terms of pronunciation. So how do you master it? Now if you have words like this, take any word and try to break it and understand the sound. Say for example, let me take the first three words, tongue, scene, rhythm. Okay, say for example I have tongue, the breakup will be t, a, n, g, tongue. The second one was scene, S-C-E-N-E. It's fairly simple. We have s, e, n, scene. Even if the spelling of the word is seen, my pronunciation will still be the same, scene. The third one is rhythm. How do I break it? So it starts with the r sound. R. Now is it rhythm or rhythm? It's rhythm. So I will use a short vowel sound. Re. Is it rhythm or rhythm? It's not rhythm, it is rhythm. That's why I'll use the. Re, the, a, m. So I have rhythm, rhythm. Okay? How do we pronounce weird? V-E-I-R-D. It's weird. Since it's a W, we'll pronounce that with a W sound. And it's a long vowel sound. It's not weird, it's weird. V, A, R, D. Weird. Okay? So when you have words, when you break it into the consonant sound and vowel sound, you will make less number of mistakes. And what you need to focus on is get into the habit of reading. Read the word slowly, break the word into parts, break the word into consonant sounds, and then vowel sounds again. Say for example, I have given an example here. Table. T, A, B, that's B, A, L. Table. So you can identify which one is a consonant sound and which one is a vowel sound. When you are able to distinguish, when you are able to break it, then you will be able to pronounce it correctly. Tomorrow, first half an hour, we will have a little bit of activity so that you guys can practice, and then we'll start with the syllable and syllable stress. All right? Questions? SPY Reddy, it's pronounced as hubris. It's not hubris, it's hubris. St. Joseph, that is pronounced as myopia. Myopia. Any more questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How to pronounce ONO, MA, PO, PO, EIS?
I don't know the word. I need to find out. What does it mean?
Which imitates the natural sounds of a thing, sir.
I'm sorry, what?
Which imitates the natural sounds of a thing.
I don't know. I need to find out.
Okay, sir.
SPDC. Tell us the pronunciation of niece. N-I-E-C-E is niece and nephew. Niece and nephew. Difference between advice and advise. Advice is a s sound. Advice. Advise is a z sound. Say for example, I have advice. I break it as ad I sir. But if I change this to SE, it will become advise. The difference is very, very fundamental and very simple. Advice is, sorry, let me take advice first. Advice is a noun. Advise is a verb. For example, please give me an advice. So it is noun. Please give me water, please give me a pen, please give me advice. When you use it as verb, you can just say, please advise me. Instead of saying, please give me an advice, you can directly say, please advise me, or please advise. It becomes a verb. Just advice, CE is a noun. Alright, Usmania, is that okay? How to pronounce presumptuous? It's presumptuous. It's presumptuous. How to pronounce siege? S-E-I-G-E, siege. Meaning, please find out and tell me. It's pronounced as siege. National Degree College, there is a wonderful invention called dictionary. It's a book as well as you can find it online as well. So I will spell that for you. Okay. What this invention helps the human beings is it gives you the meaning of the word, the context of the word. It also gives parts of speech and it also gives you the pronunciation. Please refer to it if you want to know the meaning of the word. It's an amazing thing. When I was a kid, I came across this book called dictionary. You get different versions.
All right, sir. Thank you. All right, sir.
Thank you. So I hope this message is for each and every person who asks me meaning of certain very simple words. How to pronounce memorandum? It's memorandum. Memorandum. Is there any difference between aim and goal? No, it's not. Aim is considered short term, goal is considered long term. Aims are part of goals. A bunch of aims can make a goal. Your aim is to get a good job, but your goal is to be successful in that job. So both are slightly different in terms of the context. Difference between touch and T-O-U-C-H-E. T-O-U-C-H-E is referred more in terms of fashion industry, more in terms of glamour. A lot of French people use this term. When you have T-O-U-C-H-E, there is a mark or the slanting mark on E. Touch and touche. Touche is different. Touch is different. It's a French word. Yes. Yes, go ahead.
Is it right, sir?
I'm sorry, what did you ask? I did not even hear your voice. Who is this, please? May I know who's speaking first of all? Whenever you guys speak, please identify yourself.
This is Sayeda Hajira, sir.
Ma'am, when I say identify yourself, which college?
Usmania, sir.
Osmania. Okay. All right, ma'am. Go ahead. What's the question?
Sir, the word is actually composition, but many people pronounce it as composition. Which is right, sir?
It's composition. It's k pronunciation in the beginning. Composition.
Difference between destination and destiny.
Destination is where you want to go. Destiny is your fate.
Thank you, sir.
Destination is manzil. Destiny is kismat. I hope I answered that. SVDC, how to pronounce the word sanguine? It's sanguine. How to pronounce ameliorate? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. The origin is unknown to me. Ameliorate, I don't know the root of the language, the etymology, so I could be incorrect, but it seems like it should be pronounced as ameliorate. Playwright, P-L-A-Y-W-R-I-G-H-T, it's playwright. What is the difference between one, the last but not least, and two, last but not the least? It's always the last but not the least. Least means it's coming to a closure. Least means the smallest. So when you have a person, say for example you have 5 people speaking one after another, so when the last person comes, that person should not feel he is the lowest in terms of importance. That's why the term is used, last but not the least. Least means the smallest. For example, the least number, or the least important number. So that's why it's used philosophically, not to make that person or to take away the importance. That's why we say last but never the least. What is the difference between fault and mistake? Both are similar, depends on the context. Okay? Fault is something which happens inadvertently. For example, we do something and we are not aware of, fault is something when we are aware of it. Mistake is something when we are not aware of it. Known and unknown. But again, both these words can be used in either of the cases. Mistake is more formal. Fault, you can use a little casual and informal word. What is the difference between system and computer? System is a process. I follow a particular system to use the computer. The system is, first I sit on the chair, second I switch on the switch, third I switch on the CPU, fourth I switch on the monitor. That is a system. System means a process. Computer is a device. It's as simple as that. St. Joseph Degree College has asked a brilliant question. What's the difference between poor and the poor? I don't understand what is the difference. What is the difference between POOR and POOR? I don't understand what you mean. CESSION and SESSION, what's the difference? Session, CESSION is pronounced as session, which means end, closure. Session means a particular class. The session is going on right now. So one is session, one is session. What is the difference between buy and purchase? Buy is a physical, buy and purchase both are similar, but purchase is more physical, buy is more in terms of words. Please practice pronunciation of sounds in one class. I am ready to do that, but we have 25 different colleges. The moment the microphone is switched on, I only hear a lot of noise. And problem is when the mic is switched on for one college, only one person can speak. If I have to have everyone speak, I need at least 1 month. Since we are doing an online training, that's the biggest limitation. Poor has two meanings. Poor could be financially, poor could be mentally as well. Poor could be in terms of the situation as well. For example, if I am walking on the road and it starts to rain, I don't have an umbrella, it doesn't mean I don't have money to buy an umbrella. It's just that I don't have one. So you can look at me and say, poor guy, he's getting drenched in the rain. So poor is used as a metaphor. Poor can be used in terms of finances, how much money the person has. A poor man doesn't have money, he's starving. You can use in either way. Yes, poor is an adverb. How to pronounce buoyancy? It's buoyancy, buoyancy. Okay. APSSDC, do we have you online? APSSDC, do we have you online? Masculine practice. It's practice and masculine. APSSDC, do we have you online?
Yeah, Ron, we are online. We are waiting for you.
No, I'm done, so you can get started.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is from SJGC college, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, you given for online practice section practice website address, no, sir?
When did I give it?
APSSDC.M campus champs website you given, sir.
Yeah, the IDs and password has not been created because we have not received any data. Rajendra, can you please respond to that question? There are a lot of them asking question, but I have no clarity as to if the tool will be used or not. When will we create ID password? So please respond on that, please.
Sir?
Rajendra, are you there?
Yes, Ron. We will respond at the end of the session. Before we are ending the session, we'll just intimate you. We'll give you.
No, somebody is asking right now. Sir, Rajendra will answer your question because the tool, the website which I gave you, we need to create IDs and password and we haven't got the details as yet.
Thank you. Okay, sir.
Thank you,
thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Just take a 2 minutes break.